Okay, today is Tuesday, the 12th of January 2021, and we are learning today how to use a part-whole diagram using numbers to 50. Now, we have done this a while ago. We first came back to school in September, but we're going to have a look at it today again, but with bigger numbers. Last time we looked at it with smaller numbers, today we're going to look at it with numbers to 50. So our steps to the start are: remember the difference between a whole and a part, understand what a part-whole diagram shows, and to split a whole number into two parts. Okay, then let's begin. So have a look at this part-whole model for me, part-whole diagram. Can you tell me about this diagram? Do you know anything about it? Do you know what it represents? Do you know what the numbers mean? Pause the video now and have a little think, or if you've got a grown-up around, pause the video and have a little talk with them. Brilliant. So we know that this is a part-whole model, and the number 21 at the top, this is the whole number. The two numbers underneath, 19 and 2, these make up the two parts of the model. So the 21 is the whole, and the 19 and the 2 are the two parts. Now, if we add 19 and 2 together, it equals 21. 19 and 2, those two circles at the bottom, of the diagram, they are the two parts that make the whole number. Now it's your turn. Once again, pause the video for me and see if you can split the number 25 into two parts for me. Have a go. Fantastic. So it doesn't matter if you had to go and your numbers don't look the same as mine, or you weren't thinking the same as mine. That's all part of having a guided practice. So let's have a look and see how we can do this. So we've got the number 25, that's our whole number at the top. And then we are splitting it into two parts. I've got the number 20 and the number 5. Now, if I remember back to our learning that we did last week on partitioning and all what we know about tens and ones, it's really easy for us to complete this part-whole model. We know that when we partition 25, we have two tens, which I've got there at the bottom for you in blue, and we know that we've got 5 ones. If we were to add our two tens, 20, and our 5 ones together, it would give us 25. This is a really easy way of helping us to use the part-whole model to work out bigger numbers, to put bigger numbers into our part-whole diagram. Don't forget, if you're not sure, you can always pause this video and rewind it and listen back to any parts that you're not sure about, okay? And if you're really not sure, you can leave a comment in the post section and I will get back to you and give you some more help and guidance. So, your independent activity today. As you can see, you have got some numbers with an empty part-whole model, well, half empty. You've got the whole number there. You need to have a go at filling in the different parts of the part-whole model. So, for example, you've got the number 45 there. You need to find out how you can make the number 45 in two parts. Don't forget what we just spoke about. It's really easy if we use our understanding of partitioning and tens and ones to help us do this. Okay, have a good go and post it back to me so I can have a look. And I've added a challenge on today here too. The challenge is, how many different part-whole combinations can you partition the number 25 into? So, for example, we know that 20 and 5 equals 25, okay? And we could easily draw that into a part-whole model. But are there any different ways that we can make 25 using the part-whole model? Now, I've got a little tip for you. It might be useful if you were to draw yourself an empty part-whole model, that's with the circles, and then draw yourself some tens and some ones in lots of different combinations to see how you can make 25 in different ways. I'll be looking for how many of you can complete